Each cement and primer in the Weld-On product family has unique characteristics. It is important for your team to understand this information on the job site. Fortunately, it is all at their fingertips. Each can, at any size of Weld-On product, is labeled to provide detailed information in English and Spanish, or other languages as required, to help ensure that you're equipped to complete a successful application. The front-facing portion of the label provides the primary product data, starting with the product name, color, body, set time, intended pipe type, and size. Logos for VOC content and test certifications are included, as well as a safety warning summary, all for easy reference. The can size is provided on ounce and liter measurements. Turn the can clockwise to the next panel that details the specific product's application directions in English and Spanish. Included with the directions are storage guidelines, companion product recommendations, and set and cure time instructions. The bottom portion includes performance specifications, Prop 65 warning, VOC amount, SKU number, UPC code, and company contact information. The final panel contains extremely important safety information regarding the product's chemical composition, hazard characteristics, as well as prevention and response instructions if exposed. For complete detailed data, access the product safety data sheet at Weld-On.com. Be sure to refer to these labels on each of our products to ensure that your job site team has the knowledge they need to be effective and safe. Visit us online at www.weldon.com or click on the links provided in the description below for information on all of our products.